On site today from the Pickaway County Fairgrounds, where the renovations are now into their 6th month of operation. Going to take a little video tour today.
All this, they're leaving the asphalt and the concrete just for some staging area right now because of the mud we've had. So it'll all come out, be leveled off. And of course, this is where the midway is going to be, the oval piece and all that, and the concessionaires. So
this year?
Oh yeah,
Yep.
yeah, it'll be for the fair. But with all the mud, they just need a place to set stuff, you know.
We'll probably start tearing this up in March, get it down to grade once everything starts to get in the air.
This is the main arena, 20,000 square feet, 100 by 200. It's as much as like 45 feet tall in the center, so that'll all be open. There'll be ceiling fans in here, the big fans. We can bring in bigger stuff from the sides. Of course, the hog barn hasn't been started yet, but it's over there on the outside. So there'll be a covered path to bring the hogs in during the show in here. And I don't know, you can show all kinds of animals in here, but then for the fair week, and of course throughout the year, I mean, what a nice venue to have lots of events. And we'll walk down here, but in there is going to be restrooms, men's, women's, family bathroom, handicap accessible. There's showers in each of the men's and women's 3 shower stalls. There's a conference room. There's a safety forces room for the sheriff during the fair or other events where the PA system is. There's an EMS area. There'll be a couple beds in there for if somebody gets sick or needs treatment at events. And there's an EMS office for a paramedic, whoever's there on call. The Burger Wellness Center. Well, that'll be in the one corner. We'll show you. There's 2 offices in there for events, like working offices for registrations. There's like a counter with a sliding glass on it. There's a maintenance area.
Concessions.
And then right here by that green lift is a concession area. There, if you recall, it's going to be like a warming kitchen. There'll be a counter on the inside for inside events. And then there's a counter on the outside with a patio area that can be used for events or during the fair to sit and eat and so forth. So it's kind of, this is the main building, and it's, you know, we're going to do, when that's all enclosed there, it's going to be our donor recognition wall, and we're still developing that as well. So it's going to be a nice facility. A lot of ventilation fans. It will be heated, but not air conditioned. It's all insulated. And with the circulation fans and the ventilation fans that are in those window areas up there, it'll keep it real comfortable in here. And I believe they're going to have most of the shows in here except for the horses. They're going to have the sale in here, that type of thing. So it's all wired for technology as well. There's conduit that we can pull new wire in and so forth. So we wanted to make sure that was all done. Main hallway here. Obviously this is the amphitheater, which I think has drawn a lot of excitement in the community. The seating is actually the concrete that's done, and then in the middle will be filled with dirt and grass, so you can walk through there. And of course you can see the aisleways coming down. They got to pour concrete steps yet. Holds about 1,000 people, it's big. And then we've got the pad ready to build the amphitheater, which will be started in hopefully the next 30 to 45 days. But that'll be where the amphitheater seating set itself is. I think you've seen some renderings of that, and it's going to be. I don't know there's going to be a nicer horse arena in the state, including the state fairgrounds, than here. This is almost an acre under roof. And you can see, of course, you can see how tall it is on the sides. And then it goes to the middle. It's going to have an oval arena in it. And when we get to the other end, you'll see how they're going to pour concrete around the oval. This is the beef barn, dairy barn, cattle barn. There should be enough 4-foot wide space for like 120 animals, and so we're in pretty good shape there.
Keep watching Litter Media for more updates as construction continues at the Pickaway County Fairgrounds in Circleville. Thanks for watching. I'm Dan Ramey, Litter Media.